Right, we're going inside. Doesn't look like there's a fucking boat. Where's the entrance?
Bucket of piss.
Oh no, no, sir! They're making clown honks.
Why am I here?
They make clown honks.
What's happening? What's happening?
I wasn't expecting the clown honks. Alright, now there's a big room of them up here, right? So be prepared. Oh fuck! Oh fuck! I wasn't prepared! I wasn't prepared! Oh god! This is a nightmare! See! Snipe them! Snipe them with your bow! Let's blow up! I can't believe this. I can't believe this. Ow, you fucking prick.
I'm dying! I'm literally dying! I'm dying! Oh. Oh.
Are you alright? You're not dying, are you?